Hello everyone, this is Shenzhen Wideway. About this product. It's our construction aero light. This is a special all-in-one style. The length can be produced in various sizes. It can light up to the left, to the right, or both simultaneously. As for this product, it uses 40 LEDs. The brightness of each LED can reach 6,000 MCD. There are 40 LEDs in each one. Its viewing distance is relatively far. This product is intended for construction use. About its case. It's all aluminum. It offers excellent resistance to both water and corrosion. It has a peculiarity of 9 to 36 volts. If your car has a 12-volt battery, 24-volt battery, it's all universal. Welcome to Shenzhen Wideway. Thank you.